When someone steals your vehicle, your own personal car, and the person reaches out to you and say, hey, I'm extending an olive branch to you. I can give you a ride in this car if you want. That is the way it is with the current situation. Remember, you all need to know I'm not a politician and I don't campaign for no party. I don't believe in any of the stuff they are doing, and this is part of the reason why I don't believe in it. I believe everybody should go their own way. That is why I said I stand for one and only one thing: an independent Yoruba nation, a sovereign Yoruba nation, which a lot of people got it wrong. But that is the uneasy calmness you guys find yourself today. Nobody is fighting nobody. We're only, each one of us, we are standing at different sides, looking at the same thing from different angles.